Hello, welcome back to Brian 12 Let's Play of Senran Kagura Burst. And, I think this is part 8. Let's see what we gotta do today. I'm doing these on a mission by day, but I'm trying to do this like a mission per day basis. So we're gonna do mission 7 of chapter 1, Hibari's tutoring. She's the last of the Hanzo girls that I have yet to use. I should have got to read the objective. Whatever. Story time.
Hibari, クナイを家に忘れてどうやって授業を受けるつもりだ？確かにカバンに入れたと思ったんですけど。仕方ない。お前は放課後に補習だ。
That's really too bad for you. Look at him with a shit-eating grin. Yeah, teachers can be such assholes sometimes. Who's we? It's only you. Okay. Yeah, we ride together, we die together. Yeah.
では、補習は校庭で行う。5人の中で成績が最下位の者は何度でも補習だ。
Alright. So we have to defeat all the dummies in under 6 minutes. So, yeah, Hibari. Hey, you gotta say. It's a very moe intro. Okay, the thing about Hibari is, she's probably, I gotta be honest here, she's the worst character in the game. I don't know why, I just think she's garbage. It's transformation time. Oh! Yeah, I like that Trex. I like that sweater design, that's nice. Super moe. So she's just, you know, typical moe girl, but she can kick ass, but relatively, she sucks compared to all the other girls. I mean, her damage output's kind of low. Like, look at this, she does a lot of hits, but her fighting style is basically hitting like a kid. Let's see what her super is. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, her animal's a rabbit. She's got this, rabbit thing named Ninto helping her out. It's cute, I guess. Her super's really weak, though. Look at what she... well, it wasn't really... It's not a good indicator, because these guys are shit anyway, but... yeah, her super is probably the weakest, because it's just like... bam, that's it. It doesn't really do that much damage. Even when it's upgraded, it doesn't really do that much. I really like her theme though, it's really nice. Accelerating. Sound right there? Yeah, I hit you with my ass. She likes using her ass in these combos, huh? Her drop finisher is an asteroid. Oh man, I just made that one up. Asteroid. She's cute, I'll give her that. So, yeah, pretty good though, like, she's pretty good when you level her up, but like, right now she's kinda shit tier. That's why the boss fight with her in the last part was really easy. She was shit tier. Asteroid. But she's good at getting a lot of hits, that's for sure. Look at that. It's a really dumb looking skull attack. Everyone's fucking fly away with these cute little kerfuffle punches. Oh, 2 meters already, that's great. Yeah, so, I keep on fucking repeating myself here. Because this mission is really boring, because she doesn't really do that much fucking damage, and, there's apparently a whole lot of these motherfucking dummies. I'd be surprised if I got a B grade. I'll use my supers, make this quicker. Shit. Yep. Jeez. It's taking forever. Not every mission in this game is gonna be that great. This is one of them. Oh my god. You really have to grind with Hibari to get her super strong. See, the thing about these girls is they have like 3 supers. The basic one that they all use. Oh, what the? Oh shit. Oh man. See, it never happened before. Well, actually it did. I forgot. Man. Just keep on coming. Holy shit. This is ridiculous. This isn't fun. Oh, I guess it's more XP for me. Oh, finally. Shit. Oh, you finally did it. I like the animation. Touchy. Oh, I surprisingly got an A. I thought I did shitty. Alright. Oh, level 7. Gives you tons of XP because it took fucking forever. Alright. Let's see what happens next. You lose on purpose? When you see this one, just fuck off. So lonely. That's cute. Yeah, we ride together, we die together. Hanzo girls ride together, die together. So, yeah, it's Hibari, the worst character in my opinion. I mean, all the other girls have been pretty good, but at least until you get Hibari to a higher level, then she'll probably kick as much ass, but presently she's kinda shit, to be honest. Oh man, I feel like an asshole talking about her like that. Oh, then, it's the last of the Hanzo girls. Next mission had to be Hibijo Assassin. Oh shit, this is gonna be a big level, big story level on the next part of Bride Tales Let's Play of Senran Kagura Burst. Yeah, sayonara, pals.